How do you ensure that students, teachers, and staff can securely access their digital resources efficiently and easily from Clever? With Clever, you're using the secure identity platform designed specifically for education. Let's walk through how to set up your Clever portal so that every user, students, teachers, and staff can access the resources they need quickly and safely. As a Clever admin, you can access your own Clever portal by logging into your dashboard and clicking Portal at the top of the page. In your portal, you'll see all of the applications and resources available for you to log into through Clever's single sign-on. Students, teachers, and staff can reach the portal by navigating to your district's unique portal URL. They can log in using their credentials, or for students, by using a Clever badge for fast and secure access. Because the portal is where users land after logging in, you'll want to organize it in a way that makes important resources easy to find. To start organizing, go to Organize District Portal section of your dashboard. Click the Add to the Portal dropdown at the top of the page and select Add a Category. Give the category a label. Let's call ours Reading Resources. Then simply click and drag applications into the category. You can also click the 3 vertical dots next to a resource and move it into a category from here. You can change the order of categories by dragging them in the right side navigation or using the up and down arrows. Remember, each category must contain at least 1 resource. Next, you can enhance your portal by adding frequently used links, such as your district website, Wikipedia pages, educational videos, or Google Docs. Add a link by selecting Add to the Portal, and then Add a Link. Choose or upload an icon. Give the resource a title and input the URL. Select which users, grades, and schools should have access. Let's talk more about access controls. Clever gives you the flexibility to specify exactly which users can access which resources. Helpful if you have teacher-only links or if you want to roll out access based on calendar dates. To adjust visibility for a resource, click the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Hide or Show in Portal. From there, choose which user types should not see the resource and when it should be hidden. Please note, changing visibility here only hides the resource in this specific category. Teachers who have favorited the app, added it to their teacher page, or users who can access it from another category will still be able to get to it. You can also set different visibility dates for different groups. For example, if teachers need early access to Lexia before students, simply click Add another user type and set unique dates for each group. Once you're satisfied with your setup, don't forget to click Publish Changes. You'll need to publish each time you make updates to ensure your portal reflects your latest changes. That's it! Now you know the basics of organizing your Clever portal. Take a moment to explore your dashboard and begin adding and arranging resources. A well-organized portal helps make secure access simple and increases the likelihood that teachers and students will use it every day.